how to answer geometry questions using Wolfram Alpha. So in here, under the mathematics, you can see the step-by-step solutions as well as algebra and also geometry. So for example, let's head over and then just put in here what we want to put our input, and then from in there, just send it to the Wolfram Alpha. Once you have done that, this will show you the actual thing that it will give you the accurate results of the thing that you have interpreted. We have in here the input, the dimensions, matrix plots, transpose, matrix ranks, as well as pseudo inverse. So as you can see, we have in here also the option for step-by-step solution. So you can head over and then just try to click on that. And when you click on it, you can see this step-by-step solution that they have available. Now you can head over and then download this data right here that you can see, and you can download this page as well. So that's how you answer geometry questions using Wolfram Alpha. Hope we helped.